Hey guys, I am back again. And do you remember last time where I try out Korean fire noodles, aka Buldak Bokkeum? Well, today I got my hands on the 2 times spicy version of it. This is the 2 times spicy Haek Buldak Bokkeum. And the previous one that I tried was just regular. Then this one should be 2 times spicy than the previous one that I tried. Now I've actually already cooked it. It's right here. Gotta be careful. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what it looks like. It's like really red. Just as red as like the last one, I think. Now I've actually already tried this before. It's just that it was too spicy for me. It was a little too spicy for me. So for this time I just added some cheese into it, hopefully to tone down the spiciness. And I'm also going to be eating this whole thing without having a drink. But just in case, I have this thing right here. I have this just orange syrup water right here. So I'm definitely not gonna drink this, but I'll set it aside just in case if I need it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually sort of nervous. Just look at how red these things look. Probably not too red anymore because I added the cheese. Alright then. Without further ado, one second. Alright then, without further ado, 2 times spicy Haek Buldak Bokkeum. Let's do it. Oh, yeah, it already hit me. Even though I already added the cheese, the spiciness is still there. Definitely spicier than the previous one. Yeah, I can handle it. It's honestly no problem for me, despite it being 2 times spicy. Now, this is not the ender. This is not the end. I'm still going to try various other flavors. There are some other flavors of Buldak that I haven't tried. I mean, I have tried them before, but I just never show it on camera. And like I said in the previous video, please don't try this at home, because you have to know your limits. You can't just simply just do a challenge like this just for the sake of your viewers. You gotta have concerns for yourself as well. Yeah, it has a creamy taste because of the cheese. I added in cream cheese. I also added an egg in here. That might just be the perfect bite. Yeah, I feel it. I know about you guys, but eating spicy food is a way I cure my stress. Yeah, because there's just something about spicy food that just makes you forget about all your problems. Like it just distracts you from all your problems. Mm. Very sorry that my dad just interrupted. It's alright. I'm gonna be honest. It's actually starting to get a little bit unbearable now. Alright, let's do the egg. It's a hard boiled egg. The egg doesn't make the spice less spicy. I think the egg only makes it worse. Doesn't make any less spicy. Mm. I'm trying so hard not to drink this right now. I'm trying so hard not to drink this. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I'm trying so hard right now. little bit left. Gotta finish this thing up. Alright. Alright. My last few bites. Alright. I'm done. Oh, my snot's dripping. That was no easy task, but I did it. Alright, time to cool off real quick. Yeah, feels a lot better. Two times spicy Haek Buldak Myeon. I did it. It was not easy, but I did pull through. But anyways, that is all for the video. Please like and subscribe if you guys like my videos. And just have a good day.